Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Vigor Network to Trust Wallet. Alright, so in order to add this network to your Trust Wallet, the first step would be to actually open up your Trust Wallet. So make sure you've set up Trust Wallet properly. Once it's opened, head to the icon at the top right, which is the Manage Crypto option. Once there, the plus icon at the top right, click on this icon again. And where we have import crypto, we have the tokens import and network import. So we're going to be adding the network to our wallet. Now, all you need to do is enter the name, which is the Vigor Chain. Its symbol is VTC. The node URL, which is this, and the Explorer URL, which is this as well. All are going to be available in the link in the description. Now, all you need to do is simply click on the import option, and you'd have this network on your wallet. So in order to find its network token, all you need to do is simply search for VTC, and you'd find it here. So guys, that's how you can easily add the Vigor network to your Trust Wallet. Comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.